What's good, y'all? All right, so today I'm gonna show you how to use the I just lost my train of thought. What is this called? EOS Utility. Let's back that up. Okay, so today, if your EOS utility isn't working, I'm going to show you how to get it working today. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've been using the EOS Utility app for years. I haven't really been recording and using it, but here, you know, I've been recording a lot more stuff and I've been trying to use it and it just was not working. It's slick pissing me off because I'm like, what is going on? So of course, you know, go to YouTube, try to figure things out, but literally I did 1,006 steps and it still was not working. And I finally figured out what it was, so I'm not even gonna waste your time. The way I fixed it, to be honest, was my cord. It's the cord that I've always used, right? USB to the USB-C, right? I've always used this for years, never had a problem until I switched to the one that it's in now, which is basically just USB-C to USB-C. So that's what fixed my issue, but just in case, it was the back steps. I'm gonna show you the back steps that I took, not the 1,006, but maybe just 1,001. No, I'm just kidding.
What?
But what it possibly also could have been. So make sure the thing is updated because I was not updated, but even after I updated it, reset the computer, reset the camera, it still wasn't working, right? I even made sure the camera was updated. It was updated, but just in case, whatever. So I updated US Utility, didn't work. I was like, okay. So then I was like, okay, well maybe it's because, you know, the functions in the settings, I have a Canon EOS R. So I was like, maybe I gotta turn the Bluetooth off, Wi-Fi off. I tried all the different things, but to be honest, right now I have Wi-Fi on, Bluetooth on. I did all the types of variations and it's still working now that I switched the cord. So I don't really think that changing like the wireless functions really have any play into it. Maybe it does, but for me it doesn't because I tried it every which way to, you know, help y'all, but it's working for me. So whether you have Wi-Fi on, Wi-Fi off, Bluetooth on, Bluetooth off, it works for me. So I tried a handful of other different things that were really just kind of BS because it's like, oh, well, you know, go into your hard drive, like, you know, like the settings of your computer and make sure you don't got to do all that, okay? But the three things I would say, or to the two things that I would say is just check your cord because after apparently the update or whatever, well, even before the update, the USB to USB-C was no longer working for me because I always used this cord for years and it was not working. So I had a USB-C to USB-C and I was like, you know what, let me just try it out. Let me just try it out. And then lo and behold, ding, it came from grayed out to allow me to click and use it. So maybe it's just your cord. Maybe you just need a USB-C to USB-C, but I'm just letting y'all know. I wanted to make a quick video because I know there's somebody out there like, you know, because that was me. I'm like, what is going on? But anyways, yeah, so just a quick little one too. Hope it helps. I'm out.